morning from Atlanta. This is Federico Broccoli, Biesse American Canada President and CEO. Biesse has the largest booth on this show. We have 27,000 square feet with 28 machines under power, and we have 6 robots to load or either unload our technologies. There is a strong need of automations. The Biesse Group is ready with all the technological solutions to help to improve the efficiency and the quality of our North American customers.
My name is Matt Fleming. I'm the Vice President of Sales for Biesse Canada. Biesse Canada has been a major contributor to the woodworking sector and automating it across Canada. Our customers not only request but require this automation to create efficiencies and reduce the need for non-skilled labor. Our marketplace is a place where people are constantly looking for new innovations, new machinery, new strategies, and new equipment. Luckily, Biesse Canada is there to help facilitate that. Thank you very much.